Animal crossing fountain. Elephant crossing fountain. Friends, it's so scary. I don't want to go. You go. You will get an ice cream. Go fast. I want to get an ice cream. I will go fast. It's so scary. Oh God, please save me. Please save me, God. Please save me. Please save me. Again, one more. Oh my God, it's also so scary. God, please save me. Please save me, God. Please save me. Please save me. Please save me. Now it seems that all struggle has got finished. Yeah. Now I will get an ice cream. I got an ice cream. I also want to get an ice cream fast. What is this? It's so scary. Oh God. I got saved. Again one more. Oh my God. Ooh, so scary. I got saved. Oh, I got saved. I think it has got finished now. Yeah, now it's time to get an ice cream. Yay, I got an ice cream. Yay!
Now it's my turn to get an ice cream. I'm so scared. I got saved. It's also very scary. Oh my God. How I will do that? I got saved. I got saved. It's time for me to get an ice cream. Yay! I will get an ice cream. I got an ice cream.
I also want to get an ice cream. I'm so excited for that. Oh, what is this? Oh no, I don't want to go. But I want to eat an ice cream also. I have to go. I don't have any other option. Oh my God. Again one more. I don't want to go, but I don't have any other option. Oh, I got saved. Oh, I'm so scared. Wow, now it's my turn to get an ice cream. Oh wow, so yummy.